Hey guys, Mr Coffee here again. Hey listen, I'm here to make one of my most personal favorites, which is the salted caramel iced coffee. Really simple and easy. We'll start off with some ice. Of course we need water. A quarter of a cup of cream, sweet cream. The main ingredient, which is our black coffee. You can do this hot or cold, of course. It comes in a box just like this, 30 sachets in this box. That works out to be only $1.20 a cup, which is amazing. We're gonna pour that in there, and we're gonna add of course, 1, 2, 3. That will be the salted caramel. Give it a good shake. I'm gonna line my cup with some caramel sauce. And guess what? We're 5 seconds from being done. This is so easy. I love doing this before I go to work in the morning. But this is the salted caramel iced coffee. And the way we garnish it, some whipped cream, some brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. The salted caramel iced coffee, ready to go. Isn't that amazing? You can make this at home in less than 60 seconds. See you guys next time. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this one. Amazing. Bye-bye.